In this session, you will receive an overview of the major modules within Smardaten no-code platform and how they will contribute to build applications fast while creating customized functionalities around customer requirements. Basically, Smardaten web-based applications constructor called One Builder enables citizen developers or business users to develop applications or manage data without knowledge of programming. There are 4 core modules within the platform. One SDC is an one-stop data connector that could provide capabilities for instant multi-data sources integration, including more than 100 mainstream databases, IoT devices and data hub. OneMind is an one-stop big data platform to provide capabilities for data collection, composable ETO, data governance, data analytic and BI without SQL script. One Builder is an one-stop application constructor, which could help business users to construct applications like CRM, MES, PLM, ERP, etc. quickly in composable, agile and no-code way. One Store is marketplace, where applications or templates could be shared, quite similar like App Store. Okay, it's the overview for Smardaten platform. Now let's navigate to a demo factory equipment management application EMS we already built by Smardaten, which could monitor equipment status. As you can see, there are dashboards to display the equipment operational status. There are FAQ to post question and provide answers, as well as some functionalities for data management. If you want to create a new equipment, you should fill in name, status, product line and all other necessary information. With Smardaten we could build MVP of such kind of applications within 30 minutes. Next, let's start Smardaten journey step by step. With one SDC, you could connect with external data source for business data storage. Currently, Smardaten could connect with more than 100 mainstream databases and main video sources. It also supports over 90% of IoT device connections and real-time data stream connections, including input configuration, data processing and output configuration. Here we made MySQL connection already with required information like username and password. And we could test the connection. With the data source connected, system is now ready for application construction. Form design is a what you see is what you get editor to manage the layout, attribute, button and other elements in UI. System provides more than 100 out-of-the-box widgets for your application creation. You could create a form for equipment details. Step 1 is to designate database source for modeling. Step 2 is to use grid and tab widgets to design layout. Step 3 is to use different widgets for equipment data collection. For example, text box is for name, radio is for status, drop-down box is for product line, auto numbering is for product code, and make same actions for the rest of attributes. If a specific widget is chosen, there will be a configuration pane on the right side for style, data, and interactive configuration like data verification or adding custom logics. You could preview the form. The entry for equipment details will be automatically created in the related database and connection between widgets and attributes will also be created automatically. Additionally, Smardaten system will offer various formats of views based on one form, including edit view, list view and detailed view automatically, with rich display options. After designing the form, you could find the data asset in Data Library. Data Library is the data list that provide 360 degrees view of data assets. We could integrate hundreds of particular heterogeneous data assets with different data sources. It supports to discover associations between massive data from different sources automatically and manage the life cycle of the data source. You could find data asset named processed order including structure, association, lineage, associated dashboard and qualify reports. And it can control the permission of data source for users. Quick ETL module could help users to fast carry out the traditionally lengthy and tedious ETL process in a drag-and-drop way. To build a data process, you should define the data source's input and the target database's output, and orchestrate the process in between. For example, to deduplicate and filer data for the order asset. There are more data actions in the toolbox. For example, data calculation, data formatting, combination, transformation, encryption for specific data. If the out-of-the-box widgets could not fulfill your business, the Smardaten system provides SDK to extend platform capability or via SQL script. Then you could schedule flow execution and monitor the execution history. Or you could execute the process directly and check the execution results step by step. If there is any error, warning log will be listed here for your audit. Quick App is the application constructor where you could compose the application with the forms like equipment detail, product lines and issue. Then you could compose the application. System could support web, app or both via one-time configuration. Then you could create a new page named Equipment. Then find the equipment detailed list view from the right sidebar. The next step is to set the navigation for the new page. Now it's time to try the new application. So click Preview. And you are going to see the application you just created home page is blank obviously, because you haven't configured yet. If you click Equipment page, there will be the equipment list with common buttons like New, Edit and Details. If you click Add, page jumps to Equipment Collection. Should you wish to switch to mobile app mode, all the widgets will be automatically displayed with adapted view for mobiles. Next step is to build business logical top of the application. You can image there are some equipment issues and need to be resolved by maintenance team. In Quick BPM, users could design the workflow, conditional logic, triggers, actions for complex business process. Widget start means when someone raise a ticket. First step, the ticket will be assigned to admin for auditing. Second step, equipment status will be suspended when admin approve the ticket. Third step, maintenance engineer will accept the ticket. If they fix the issue, this ticket will be closed. The status of equipment will return to run as last step. Another topic is to make similar charts as you have seen in the demo homepage. Data Analyzer provides rich chart views like pie chart, bar chart, for different dashboards. Additionally, system could provide a capability like prediction based on time series algorithm. Users could also extend the I algorithm via SDK. You should prepare the data as first step. To find the data asset in the pane you need, then click the plus sign to create a working area. Smardaten platform will list all the fields in the right sidebar area. Here we use a scenario to analyze equipment quantities for each product line. You may need fields like product line, status, and equipment code. So just drop them into the working area. And use count by code for equipment quantity. And rename for the field as quantity. After the data is ready, you could choose a chart for diagram, line chart, pie chart or bar chart. You could define the layout and functions in the configuration pane. For example, the chart title, sizing, unit, font, filter could be defined as well. At the same time, We can support rich depth analysis and drilling to mine data value. The system supports rich chart types and can automatically determine which charts are appropriate based on data conditions. All design charts can be flexibly shared and reused in application construction. At the same time, we can also use the Quick Screen module to quickly build large screen dashboard. We can drag and drop the elements in the large screen, as well as flexibly design related presentation effects, including style, data, and interaction. All charts on the large screen support in-depth analysis and linkage, including right-clicking to view data sources and secondary analysis. In addition, we can also provide data service management function for all system data. We can customize the relevant API interface. Internal or external applications can make data requests through the relevant API interface. The system also provides complete data service monitoring and service log monitoring. Then let's go back to Application Constructor. Here you can see the MVP Factory application is now ready for use. Finally, let's have a glance at Factory Demo application and discover the complex application we could make with Smardaten. On home page, there are some dashboards, including Equipment Overview, Issue Trend. Equipment Overview displays in bar chart and shows the equipment status suspended or live for each product line. We could check the detailed data or analyze the data for specific devices. The application maintains the product line information, including name, code, address, image, and so on. This application can also manage the information for equipment. The list view shows all information, including product line, name, code, and status. The line color can be defined by rules. For example, if the equipment was suspended, then line color turns red. If there is any equipment issue, you could create a ticket, including equipment basic information, issue description, and upload the image. In task, there will be a list of issues waiting for review, and admin can allocate issues to support staff. If processed, there will be a list of processed tickets, where you can check details and processing history. Okay, that's all for the demo. You can now make a demo application as well in a trial account after applying for a trial version. Thanks for watching and have fun with Smardaten platform.